Welcome to Ucode. In this video, we'll learn how to create, edit, and delete the fields in a table by using two simple methods. These steps will help us efficiently manage table columns and project data. Let's dive in. So we will learn field creation by creating real example, like user table. We will use first method of creating a field, and this method will create by clicking the plus button in the table. So by using first method we will create 5 fields, by selecting the desired field types. For this example, we'll create 5 fields. First column will be name, and it will be text field. Second column surname, and this one also will be text field. Third will be gender column, and it is multi-select field. We need to add 2 options inside. First will be male and second will be female. And then will be column age and it will be number field. And last will be birth date column, its date field. For the second method is through the settings menu. Click the settings icon on the top right corner, then go to field section, and there we can see the plus add button. We need to click this button to create new file. By using this method, we'll create 4 more fields. Here is first will be phone number column, and its phone field. Second will be email column, and its email field. Next will be active worker column, its checkbox field. And last but not least will be company name column, and here will be text field. Once the fields are created, we'll add data for our user table as a company employees. For example, name of the employee will be John Baker, and John is male. He is 25 years old. He was born July 28, 1999. His phone number is +998 88 285 8585. His email is john@info.com. He is active worker. He works in Ucode company. Name of the employee will be Anna Lee. And Anna is female. She is 30 years old. She was born May 15, 1993. Her phone number is +998 88 123 4567.